Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Virtual Madrasa. This is our new lesson of Norani Qaida part 1. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First letter name is Alif. This is Alif. In second box, there are two letters joined together. First letter in purple color, it's Lam. We stretch this Lam for 5 seconds. Lam. And second letter name is Alif. Alif. Lam. Alif. Now from here, the first one is also Lam. And this one is Alif. Lam. Alif. Now in this box, first one is Ba. First half letter name is Ba. And this is Alif. Ba. Alif. There is Lam. Alif. Lam. Alif. From second line, first letter is Lam. And also we stretch this letter for 5 seconds. That's Lam. Next one, there are two letters. First one is also Lam and the second letter is Alif. So first is Lam. There is Alif. Lam. Alif. And in next box, there are also two letters joined together. First letter name is Lam. It's Lam. And the second letter in black color, it's Ha. We stretch it for 2 seconds. Ha. Ha. Lam. Ha. Next one, there are also two letters joined together. First letter is Lam. Second letter is Alif. Lam. Alif. Next one, there are three letters joined together. First letter in black color, it's Ba because of its one dot at its below. It's half letter. First is Ba. We stretch it for 2 seconds. In the middle, Lam. Lam. And third one is also Ba. Ba. So these three letters are Ba. Lam. Ba. Now from third line, first letter is Kaf. We stretch it for 2 seconds. Kaf. Next letter is also Kaf. Kaf. Now there are two letters joined together. First letter name is Kaf. And the second one is Ba. Kaf. Ba. This is another shape of Kaf. So Kaf and this is Ba. Kaf. Ba. Next one, there are also two letters joined together. First one is Kaf and then Alif. Kaf. Alif. Okay, and in next line, the first one, it's another shape of Kaf and then Alif. So this is Kaf. Alif. So there are three letters joined together. First letter name is Ba because of its one dot at its below. First letter is Ba. Second letter in the middle, it's Kaf. And the third one, there are two dots on top, it's Ta. So we stretch it for 2 seconds. Ba. Kaf. Ta. Okay, these two letters are ba, kaf, ta. In next box, there are also three letters joined together. First letter is ta because of two dots on top. In the middle, it's another shape of kaf. And third letter name is sa because of three dots on top. First is ta, kaf, sa. In next box, this letter name is ba. We stretch it for 2 seconds. Next one, this letter name is ta. That's why it's a two dots on top. And from next line, first letter name is sa because of three dots on top. That is sa. Next letter name is noon. There is ya. And then ba, alif. There are two letters joined together. First letter is ba. It's a one dot at its below. It's ba. And then next letter name it's alif. Ba, alif. There is noon, alif. In next line, first letter name is this one. Two dots on top. That is ta, and then alif. So ta, alif. There is ya, alif. Next one is sa, alif because of three dots on top. There are two letters joined together. First one is ba because of its one dot at its below. Ba, and in the next one, this is seen. Ba, seen. Ya, seen. Okay, now we start from here. Last line of this page. This is first one is noon because of one dot on top in the middle. It's noon, seen. Next one in next box. First one is ta, and then seen, ta, seen. There is sa, seen, sa, seen. We stretch this scene for 5 seconds. Next one, there are also two letters joined together. First letter name is sa, three dots on top, that's why. Sa for 2 seconds and then jim for 5 seconds. Sa, jim. This first one, ta, ha, ta, ha. Okay. Now from here, first one is noon because of its one dot on top. It's noon. And then second letter name is ho. This is green letter. That's why we did it with bold tone. Ho. And noon. Ho. Next one. Yeah. Ha. For 2 seconds. Yeah. Ha. This is ba. First one is ba. One dot at its below. That's why its name is ba. And then second letter name is jim. It's a one dot in the middle. Ba, jim. This one is ya. Two dots at its below. And then meme for 5 seconds. Meme. Ya, meme. Ba, meme. Now from second line of this page, the first letter name is noon and then meme. Noon, meme. Next letter are two letters joined together. First letter name is ta and then meme. Ta, meme. There is sa, meme. Ba, Yeah. It's yeah. Another shape of yeah. We stretch yeah for 2 seconds and also ba for 2 seconds. Ba. Yeah. The two letters. Fourth letter name is ya because of two dots at its below. Ya. The second letter is another shape of ya. It's ya. So this is also for 2 seconds. Ya. 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 In third line, first letter name is noon for 5 seconds and then also ya for 2 seconds. Ya. Noon. Ya. Ta. Ya. There are three letters, three dots on top. First one is sa. Ya. Sa. Ya. This is noon. In the middle, one dot that is below its name, ba, and third letter is lam. Noon. Ba. Lam. Noon. Ba. Lam. First one, two dots on top, its name. Ta. In the middle, one dot on top in the middle. Noon. And this one is lam. Ta. Noon. Lam. Now, next line, there is first letter is ba. It's a one dot at its below. First letter name is ba. Ba. In the middle, two dots at its below. It's yeah. Third letter is lam. Lam. Ba. Ya. Lam. Ya. Ta. Lam. Next one, three dots on top. It has three dots. Its name sa. We stretch it for 2 seconds. Sa. Sa. Lam. There are so three letters. First letter is noon. The middle ba. Noon. First one is noon. Ba. Noon. And also there are three letters. The first one is ba. In the middle, noon. And third one is also noon. Ba. Noon. Noon. Now from here, first letter is ta because of two dots on top. In the middle, the two dots at its below. Its name ya. The first one ta. Ya. Noon. Ta. Ya. Noon. There is ya. Ta. Noon. Sa. Sa. Noon. And this letter is Jim. The last one of this part. The first letter is this letter name is ha. We stretch it for 2 seconds. Ha.